Despite recent advancements in medical technology, the demand for organ, eye, and tissue donations still vastly exceeds the number of registered donors.
More than 100,000 people currently await life-saving organ transplants. Tens of thousands more need life-enhancing tissue or corneal transplants each year.
I'm Nikki Dixon, Midwest Transplant Network Hospital Services Coordinator.
And I'm Jonna Struble, Director of Critical Care and Organizational Development with Salina Regional Health Center.
Well, ladies, thank you so much for joining me today. Let's start talking about the importance of organ donation and why it's so critical for families that are waiting for organs.
Well, Mike, at any given time, there's about 100 to 115,000 people on the national transplant waiting list. Approximately every 8 minutes, someone is added to the transplant waiting list. And although a life-saving organ transplant is performed every 11 minutes, unfortunately, 13 people are still dying every day because the organ that they need was not received in time.
So to have the organs available, people have to donate. So let's talk about the process, what somebody does if they want to become an organ donor.
Well, Mike, there's a lot of ways that people can register to be an organ donor. The most common way is at their DMV when they are obtaining or renewing their driver's license. But they can also go to registerme.org, and we have lots of community events all over the country where there are QR codes and other websites that will direct you to the national donation registry.
Jonna, let's talk about the importance of people having these discussions before they arrive at the hospital.
Yeah, Mike, I think it makes it very difficult for families to make that decision when they haven't had a discussion. For instance, you have a discussion with your children, your wife, if you want to be a donor. It provides an opportunity for you to let them know what your wishes are. It allows them an opportunity to ask you questions and you to clarify any misconceptions about donation. It also results in giving both of you a peace of mind because you have had the opportunity to let them know your wishes, and you know then that they're more than likely going to respect your wishes when that time does come.
Nikki, I know the Midwest Transplant Network has some services available for people that you wanted to talk about as well.
Midwest Transplant Network does a lot of community and hospital education on organ donation and how to register. We also have a very robust aftercare program to support families that have made the decision to donate their organs.
Well, ladies, thank you so much for coming and for some great information. And thank you for watching. For more information to register, you may go to registerme.org and like Midwest Transplant Network on Facebook and Instagram.